Hi, hi.
Ninang Salina. Okay. Ma'am, nag-award po ang asawa niya ng mga ma'am, may tanong po ako sa inyo. Ma'am, what's your favorite color? Halatang halata na yun. Bumulog ang pisngi, ma'am. Okay, sige. Ma'am, ano po yung message ko para kay Alisa?
Dirty candy.
Happy birthday, Alessandro. Magandang gagawin, kind, and obey mo na naman natin yung parents mo. Happy birthday.
Palak na, pag-ito tayo. Parang awa niyo, parang ka naman yan. Ma'am, hindi kasi, di ba na-feel ko kasi habang naglalakad ka, walang tumalak ka. Hanggang po doon sa last message, tapos lumakad kayo, kapalakpakan namin kayo. Grabe naman kayo, guys. Yung last message po, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alessandro.
Kailangan po, palakpakan natin. We will proceed to our blowing of the candle. By the way, if we're gonna leave, we will have a picture taking in our photo booth that they are still waiting for you to have your souvenirs. But by the way, Mami and Daddy, can I have the cake with you? Ayan. So, may I call on every one of you to take a picture here in our beautiful stage and let's sing a song together, please. Thank you.